Okay, we're doing a video of blowing up a hydrogen thing. It's helium full of hydrogen, and it's gonna go way up.
Get back. Do you have a flashlight? Get, watch out. Wait,
Okay.
this comes off.
No, it won't. Don't worry with it, Jordan. Just stab it. Okay.
Okay, let me have it now.
Oh, this is gonna be so cool.
Step back.
How fast am I gonna do it? Keep the light on.
I'll tell you when. Light under the candle. Under it. Oh! What? Do it again.
Quick.
It's sucking up the flame. Go this side. This side.
Nothing. It's dead.
Here, hold it.
It's a dud. You hold it. It'll keep that. Let's go look at the bottom.
We probably like totally.
Turn your light off. Turn your light off.
Dude, the bottom's not even blown up.
I felt the impact in my ears.
Oh, look at
Look, they heard it.
look at the G effects it did. Look,
Ow.
look at the G.
Okay, show Daddy. I'll play the bottom.